For Lesson 10, Writing Explanatory Text Portfolio 2, you have another chance to go back through and do your final revisions and edits. So please make sure that you're going back and you're doing these revisions. This will help you to get a better grade. Okay, guys, remember that portfolios are once you turn them in, that's your final copy, right? Your final draft, and you're turning that in for a grade. And portfolios, you don't really get a chance to redo portfolios or to revise them after you've been given your grade. So I'm giving you the chance right now to go back and revise those. So just make sure that you're doing that. Okay. All right. So for this one, make sure that your MLA citations and works cited page, that you have MLA citations and a works cited page. So you need in-text citations in your intro, your body paragraphs, and your closing each time that you use information from somewhere else. So remember, in-text citations are those that are in parentheses, right, with the author's last name and then a page number if that's applicable. If not, it's just the author's last name. And then your full citation will be on your works cited page, okay? You need a minimum of 3 sources for every essay that you write. So guys, I can't say this enough. Anytime that you write an essay where you had to go and look up information and get information from somewhere else, you need a minimum of 3 sources. And that's for any class that you do from this point on in all your classes, all the way through high school, even into college. You need a minimum of 3 sources, okay? You need captions and your source under each media element. So for this assignment, remember, you needed to have 3 graphics in there. Okay, so I suggested 1 for each section. So you need to have captions for each of those pictures, and you need to credit your source. So where did you get that? Okay, so you need captions and your source in there, and you need your works cited page. If you use Word or Google Docs, you put in the information, and then you just click a button and it makes your whole works cited page for you. Okay, so go back and watch those if you didn't. All right. So remember, your works cited page again needs to be in alphabetical order. It needs the full citations, including the author, the name of the article, the name of the source, where you got it from, right? The publisher, the year of the publication, the URL, the date you accessed that particular link, and then don't forget the link to your Check My Work report that you ran. And remember, the percentage needs to be under 15%. Okay. If you didn't watch the video on that one, go back and watch it. Yesterday, I mentioned the Check My Work tool, and there's directions on how to run it in yesterday's lesson. So make sure you go back and look at that. Remember, Word and Google Docs can do this for you. You don't have to remember all of this stuff, okay? Just make sure you watch the videos, and I'm linking some videos below on how to use Word or Google Docs to do your MLA formatting and resources for you. Yesterday's videos actually show you how to change the settings on there and format the actual paper, like with the 1-inch margins and everything. And today's videos will actually show you how to actually put in your in-text citations and your works cited page using Word or Google Docs. So make sure that you guys are checking those out. All right, guys, happy writing. You will be turning in your essays tomorrow. So go through and do all of this, and then you'll do one final read tomorrow and turn it in tomorrow, but watch the lesson tomorrow to see what's assigned tomorrow.